Europe, a continent teeming with life not just in its bustling cities and colorful cultures, but in the very essence of its ancient stones and whispering forests. Join us as we embark on a journey, a pilgrimage of sorts, to uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Europe a tapestry of unforgettable experiences. From the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean, Europe offers a kaleidoscope of landscapes, each with its own story to tell. This is your ultimate 2025 bucket list, a carefully curated selection of must-see destinations across this enchanting continent. Our journey begins in the heart of Austria, where the majestic Alps cradle a village seemingly untouched by time. Hallstatt, with its charming wooden houses reflected in the mirror-like waters of the Hallstatter Sea, appears more like a painter's idyllic creation than a living, breathing village. Imagine, if you will, strolling through cobblestone streets, the scent of pine filling the air, as you're greeted by the warm smiles of locals. The sound of church bells echoes through the valley, a timeless melody that speaks to the soul. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly savor the beauty of this alpine paradise. Be sure to take a leisurely boat ride across the lake, the surrounding mountains creating a breathtaking panorama that will stay with you long after you've left. We journey now to a land where time seems to stand still, where the echoes of medieval life whisper through cobblestone streets. Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a town seemingly plucked from the pages of a fairy tale, stands as a testament to Germany's rich history. Its perfectly preserved walls, once guarding against invaders, now embrace visitors in a warm embrace of the past. Look closely, and you'll see the craftsmanship of centuries past in the half-timbered houses, their brightly colored facades leaning into the narrow lanes. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts from traditional bakeries, tempting you to indulge in the simple pleasures of life. And as the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the town square, you'll understand why Rothenburg ob der Tauber is considered a living museum, a place where the past and present intertwine. Our journey takes us now to the Aegean Sea, where a symphony of white and blue unfolds before our eyes. Santorini, a volcanic island sculpted by the forces of nature, rises dramatically from the turquoise waters, its iconic whitewashed houses clinging to the cliffs like snowflakes. Here the light dances differently, casting an ethereal glow on the villages that dot the caldera's edge. Imagine yourself strolling through the narrow alleys of Oya, the scent of bougainvillea filling the air, as you search for the perfect vantage point to witness the legendary Santorini sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple, you'll understand why Santorini is considered a photographer's paradise. But Santorini is more than just a pretty picture, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. We venture now into the heart of Europe, where the mighty Alps stand as silent guardians, their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky. This is a land of dramatic contrasts, where verdant valleys give way to towering mountains, and crystal-clear lakes reflect the ever-changing moods of the sky. For the adventurer at heart, the Alps offer a playground of unparalleled beauty. Imagine yourself carving down pristine slopes in Switzerland, the wind whipping past you as you glide through a winter wonderland. Or perhaps you envision yourself hiking through the French Alps, the scent of wildflowers filling the air as you ascend to breathtaking vistas. Whether you seek the thrill of adventure or the tranquility of nature, the Alps offer an experience that will leave you breathless. Our journey now takes us to the sun-kissed shores of Croatia, where the Adriatic Sea laps gently against the Dalmatian coast, a string of islands and coastal towns that shimmer like jewels scattered across the azure waters. Imagine yourself sailing aboard a yacht, the warm Mediterranean sun on your face as you hop from one idyllic island to another. Explore hidden coves and secluded beaches, their turquoise waters inviting you to swim, snorkel, and discover a world teeming with marine life. Ashore, ancient walled cities and charming fishing villages await, each with its own unique character and charm. From the Roman ruins of Split to the medieval marvels of Dubrovnik, the Dalmatian coast offers a journey through history, culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. We venture now to a land of fire and ice where the raw power of nature takes center stage. Iceland, a volcanic island sculpted by glaciers and geothermal activity, is a land of stark contrasts and otherworldly beauty. Imagine yourself standing before a thundering waterfall, its spray painting rainbows in the air, or witnessing the earth breathe as geysers erupt in a display of geothermal energy. Explore ice caves that shimmer like diamonds, hike across glaciers that stretch as far as the eye can see, and soak in geothermal pools, while the northern lights dance overhead. Iceland is a land that will ignite your senses and leave you in awe of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. Our journey now takes us to the heart of Italy, to a city that needs no introduction, Rome. The Eternal City, a place where ancient history and modern life intertwine seamlessly, is a feast for the senses. Imagine yourself standing in the shadow of the Colosseum. Its massive stone arches a testament to the power and ingenuity of the Roman Empire. Walk in the footsteps of emperors and gladiators, and feel the weight of history as you explore the ruins of the Roman Forum. But Rome is more than just ancient ruins. It's a city that pulsates with life. Indulge in delicious Italian cuisine, sip espresso in charming cafes, and wander through bustling piazzas, soaking up the vibrant atmosphere of this captivating city. We journey now to the heart of Europe, to a city that seems to have been plucked from the pages of a fairy tale. Prague, the city of 100 spires, is a captivating blend of history, culture, and architectural splendor. Imagine yourself strolling across the Charles Bridge, its iconic statues gazing down at the Vltava River below. Explore the cobblestone streets of the Old Town Square, where colorful Baroque buildings and Gothic churches create a breathtaking panorama. Lose yourself in the charm of the Jewish Quarter with its synagogues and historic cemeteries, and as you wander through the city's enchanting streets, be sure to sample some traditional Czech beer and cuisine. Prague is a city that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return. Our journey takes us now to the vibrant coastal city of Barcelona, where the spirit of Antoni Gaudi's whimsical architecture infuses every corner. Imagine yourself marveling at the Sagrada Familia, its towering spires reaching for the heavens, a testament to Gaudi's boundless imagination. Stroll down Las Ramblas, the city's most famous boulevard, a vibrant tapestry of street performers, flower stalls and cafes. Explore the Gothic Quarter, with its narrow winding streets and hidden courtyards, a reminder of the city's medieval past. And as the sun sets, indulge in tapas and sangria in one of the city's many plazas, soaking up the lively atmosphere of this captivating city. Barcelona is a feast for the senses, a city that will ignite your imagination and leave you wanting more. Chapter 10. Tuscany, Rolling Hills and Timeless Beauty. We journey now to the heart of Italy, to a region that embodies the very essence of La Dolce Vita. Tuscany, with its rolling hills, endless vineyards, and charming medieval towns, is a feast for the senses. Imagine yourself driving along winding roads, cypress trees lining the way as you pass through vineyards bathed in golden sunlight. Explore hilltop towns like San Gimignano and Siena, their medieval towers and cobblestone streets seemingly frozen in time. Indulge in delicious Tuscan cuisine, from hearty ribollita soup to freshly made pasta, all washed down with locally produced Chianti wine. Tuscany is a place to savor the simple pleasures of life, to relax, rejuvenate, and reconnect with nature. Chapter 11. London, where history meets modernity in a royal embrace. Our journey takes us now to the heart of England, to a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and modernity. London, a city of iconic landmarks, world-class museums, and vibrant neighborhoods, offers something for everyone. Imagine yourself standing before the Houses of Parliament, Big Ben's familiar chime echoing across the city. Explore the Tower of London, its ancient walls whispering tales of kings and queens, prisoners and executions. Wander through the vast collection of art and artifacts at the British Museum, or catch a show in the West End, London's theatre district. From the bustling energy of Piccadilly Circus to the tranquility of Hyde Park, London is a city of endless possibilities. Chapter 12. Paris, the city of lights, love, and enduring charm. Our European adventure culminates in the City of Lights, a place that needs no introduction, Paris. The French capital, with its iconic Eiffel Tower, charming cafes, and romantic ambiance, is a city that captures the heart and imagination. Imagine yourself strolling along the Champs-Élysées, The aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from nearby patisseries. Explore the Louvre Museum, home to masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. Climb the Arc de Triomphe for panoramic views of the city, or take a leisurely boat ride along the Seine River, passing beneath bridges that have witnessed centuries of history. Paris is a city that will stay with you long after you've said au revoir, a place where romance, culture, and history intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. And so, our journey through Europe comes to an end, but the memories we've made will last a lifetime. From the fairy-tale villages of Austria to the sun-drenched islands of Croatia, from the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the bustling streets of London and Paris, Europe offers a tapestry of experiences that will stay with you long after you've returned home. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready to experience the best of Europe in 2025. Your ultimate bucket list adventure begins now.